All right, so let's start from 5 back to 1, and we're going to be adding the features of the product that we've been assigned to list. And first, do you have multiple images? And yes, we have multiple images that we're going to be adding to this product. The minimum amount of images to add is 5. And this single image you're going to be adding, first of all, is the profile image, like the main image that the consumers or customers will see. I've added this image. As you can see, there is no background. And then what I want to do is simply crop this image so that it is centralized and looks well organized when it's being published on the site for customers to shop. All right, so save crop. Now we've gotten the image cropped. The next thing we want to do is to simply add other features for the item. So this is a body and skincare product because it is a lotion, and it's a body cream. So you really need to know the categories and sections where you're going to be listing your product. You don't want to be listing this product in hand sanitizers or scrubs and masks. So it's a body cream. So the next phase, which is like the product name, and I'm going to be using ChatGPT to generate this section, which is the product name, because the name of the product needs to be SEO optimized. That way the product page can rank on search engines. And the price. The price has already been provided for you, and for this product it is actually 6,500 naira. When you add that, you want to make sure you're only entering digits. So let's generate the product name and the title of the product page and the brief caption, which is the meta description. Okay, so as you can see, it has provided us with bullet points for the item that we will be using soon. Let's grab this information and insert them for the product. This will be the title and the short description. We can then pick out keywords from these values, and I'm going to be picking this, and I can find any other keyword here. Okay, so moving on to the next phase, which is the number insert, and it's only one in the package, so no need for those values. Okay, so let's grab the 6 bullets for the product description. I'm going to start with this one because it has the key name, the product we're listing in the very first paragraph. Unleash your skin's natural glow with Malay Gold Whitening Lotion. So let's add more description bullets. I'll just pick some. You want to make sure you're only adding the characters that are outlined here. If you add any other character other than this, your upload will not work. So I think one more, just 2 here. So you don't really have to add all 6 bullet points. If you can get 4 bullet points that are really nice and keyword optimized, then yeah, that's great. You don't have to populate all 6 text areas for your product that you're listing. Right, so we have just 4, and now I want to submit this, but I will first of all check that all of my inputs are correct and none is empty. Now, if there was any discount, I would be selecting that here, and that will be outlined in the product list here. So should there be a need to maybe add any discount value. So at this point, so let's submit this. So it says incorrect character format on product name page 3. Okay, so there must have been a character that I'm not supposed to add. Okay, I think I know it's this. Just make sure you just follow the instructions from the error message, and your upload will immediately work once you follow and make the corrections. Okay, so now I can add the remaining images. Let's upload this. Now, if the business had a video, you simply need to just click on this. Alright, so product uploaded successfully. So I've listed the product for this brand, and admin will review this product and offer a recommendation. my tax is to list 5, so I've just listed 1, so I'll need to add 4 more to this. And in my list here, I can then check out this and move on to Nivea Deep Espresso. Alright, so that's how you can list an efficient SEO product page for a business brand. I wanted you guys to see it because it's an amazing task, and I think if you're looking to improve in search engine optimization, this is like the basics on how to develop keywords that are search engine optimized for your product pages. And you can apply the same trick to any web page or any e-commerce site if you're choosing. You just need to know what keywords you need to add for your product. At this point, as you can see, I spent less than an hour finishing this first task, and I have 5 more product pages to list. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions relating to listing a product using our software, then please just drop a comment or send us an email. We'd love to hear from you. Alright guys, bye bye.